She can look pretty, shine like the city, make him stop and stare. She can cross his path, hope he does the math, that 1 + 1 is 2. But he's gotta be the one to reach out and take her hand, play his part and protect her heart. That's what makes a man. He's gotta woo her, he's gotta woo her, he's gotta woo her into love. She was patient, though it was blatant. They were quite the match. After a while, he made the move, dial 7 keys to get her on the phone. Then he wooed her, then he wooed her, then he wooed her into love. He was clear with his intentions, didn't waver with indecision, knew he just couldn't live without her. To marry her would be the cure. Then he wooed her, then he wooed her, then he wooed her as he should. Woo her, woo her, woo her into love. He married that girl, he married that girl, he married that girl. He married that girl, he married that girl, he married her that day.
It was a long, slow march out of Eden. We didn't know just what we were leaving, but our curious hearts had us believing we'd be okay. Along the path we ventured to freedom. For what we seek we had no reason. It was a heart whose doubt was fleeting, led us to say, what if we trip? What if we fall? What if we make a mess of it all? What if we throw a winning